Good morning. I just watched a pretty disturbing video. Now, about another one about Bob, but it's something odd. First of all, he owned three black cats. You know where I'm going with this. But I thought there was an unwritten law up upon it. To be, a person of God, you open your house to people who want to ask you questions. Picture of crosses and nice pictures and Bible things, not three black cats. And it's an open area so you can have meeting five people talking in your trailer about God. I don't see that. I don't see that. You talk about come to me and we talk about God, but to do it, you have to have a nice open room, nice place. It's a kind of unwritten job of many people of many religions around the world. A nice, clean, wholesome place with no sign of evil, even if it's a myth. Now, I know some Christians who hate black cats because of Halloween. So, someone will walk in there and say, "Oh, black cats, you must be evil." But yet you talk about God. Some people don't see that. And that's their beliefs. And I've been to a few Christian holy places, and they are nice and clean, open and warm. I'm not really sure you're following that. You ask people to come and talk to you, Bob, but where is it? Where is this warmness? I see a messy place, and yet, as we all know, messy places equal where evil live. That's another thing that we believe in. It's not in the Bible, but it's a point. Seeing you, once again, showing your place in the background with your three black cats so close to Halloween, and you talk about the Bible. Now, kicking a cat on YouTube, you will get the expunged from animal law. But another thing, I have to stop before you believe this. When a cat blinks for no other reason than because. Yes, animal can sense good and evil. They don't care what it is. They know just the spirit. If you train a cat to sponge you in English, it will. There's some cats, a lot of cats, it only responds in the spoken language of the human being, no matter what. This blinking, talking thing. I could see Bob holding a cat say, "Do you believe in God? Give me a blink." Cats don't do that. Cats have body language, and they don't move the eyes. That's automatic with something like Bob. That's completely a lie. If you see the purple move because their light is changing more than your eyes could read. When they jump up and want to be friends with you, yes, that's their speaking. If they want to pull and want to be pet. But then again, cats have their own claiming. You're busy doing something, it's chance that you need a time off. Body language again, Bob. Not blinking lights, not looking in the eyes and seeing how big the pupils are. That's a myth. Go watch any cat language video on YouTube. I don't know where. You know, I don't want to repair my place and once again to your place because I'm tearing a rug. I'm actually doing something. Here we go. I'm doing something. Bob, your place is getting dirtier. Someone, fifth generation man, she should call the health place because this is not a healthy place for cats. This is a sign only 3 cats mean that you're going to be a crazy old cat lady, Bob. Yeah, well, the only thing I'm going to applaud is that you got them fixed. Yay! At least you care about your animal that you get your females get fixed. At least you know you're stopping the cat population. Even in the day, Bob do something once in life, but yet for years I've been telling you to clean your place up. That's an unhealthy place. You will have bugs and all that hiding under your filth out in your living room. When people come in, a nice place is a good person, a good showing how a good clean person you are. Someone walks in there and see your garbage. You don't have no self-in units. You have them on the ground. You don't have no place for nowhere. And yes, you could build one for free. Buy some scrap wood, pick up some wood, steal some milk crates, and some bricks. Then you can make shelves to the side so that you have enough over in your space there. Then put your stuff up. But no, I see messy place, black cats, no place to have a nice room meeting and talk about God. You can just send thing out like the stereotype rich. The stereotype rich places is small, uncapped cats, black cats. You got this vibe going, Bob, that you believe in God, but yet your place look like evil, unhealthy. And that's one thing. You got a healthy spirit, but your place, no. Right now I'm ripping up the sponge because I have to put the sponge in here for my, whatever going to be in here next. And once again, I'm doing this by myself, slowly, a few hours a day, and by the time, I live in a small apartment, so it takes me a while to get everything down and so forth. Also, note that, Bob, your kitchen is my kitchen. Look at my kitchen. Third generation person knows in his kitchen in the back. My living room. Right now, it's getting ripped of the rug by myself. But yet, you look at Bob's little living area, and what do you see? Nothing but fucking mess. And yet, Bob preaches of goodness, niceness, and so forth. But having a nice, healthy place is part of being holy. I don't think God's place is messy. Or I don't think Jesus ever had a messy place. A lot of good Christians I know, which type of Christian they are, have good places. All the priests that we are making fun of, their houses are better than yours, Bob. You know something? I'm not meant money-wise. I meant cleanness. You're the only person I know who have a house that's not tidy and so forth. The greatest places in the world have nice, beautiful places. Even when they try to take money from us and preach some of the Bible, like you hated that, they still have better looking inside places than you, Bob. How can you convince people? Part of convincing people, Bob, is having a nice, healthy lifestyle, have the correct color animals, clean place, nice stuff like the cross and Bible quotes, like any other decent Christian minister will have. There are going to be a lot of people who say, "You have black cats." Ooh! I know that's American, so forth, Bob. But, some people believe in most myths more about black cats than Jesus. And there are going to be people going to point out that that's not a healthy environment for your cat. And you. And your wife. So clean up the place before someone will get the health out there. And you can't fool them and say, "Oh, don't believe the lies," when you actually show us how filthy you live in. No wonder some people want to burn your place. Just take one look at those videos and say, impossible to be cleaned. But yet, Mom, when someone walks in, they got I'm really mixed opinion about you and the way you preach just by looking at your place, Bob. Think about Bob. This is not a woman or something, but this is common sense. And I see that in a lot of good Christian family. Then what Christian religion they believe in, Bob. You have that sign that you are so untidy. And then you preach religion. People would think about you. Just because how you live. Here, a lunatic here, have a clean place. But yes, you're a sensible person and you have a messy place. Tell me, Bob, in your now screaming rant, who is the most holiest place? Most place that I could bring people in here and talk about God because I have a nice, clean, warm, comfortable place versus your place. And this is why I keep on telling you, to clean your place. Because if you want more people to join your ministry, you like a business, keep it clean, Bob. And that's why you do video, because you can't bring people in. My time is running out. And I want to talk about more about this because this is more important to your health than God. Bye.